This is a quick tutorial as to how to use the app Clips by Apple to be able to quickly make a video out of images and be able to advertise it on the Replay Listings mobile app. So without further ado, let's get right to it. Let's go to the App Store and search for that app called Clips. This is the one, you're looking at it on my screen right now. It is a great and free mobile app that will allow you to create videos by using pictures. It's very simple. So let's open up the app Clips and I will guide you as to how to create your first Clips video, right? The first thing you need to do is click on here where it says library to select the pictures that you're going to use to create this video. As you will be able to see, it's one by one. So you have to select one picture, then the next, then the next, and you're going to create a video in less than a minute. So press library, right? After that, you're going to select your first picture. So I'm going to select this picture right here, and you're going to press that big red button. So for each second that you press the button, it's going to be a second that the video will be created, right? So 1, 2, 3, release. My suggestion is to keep each picture there for between 3 and 5 seconds, depending on how much you want to show. So the next one, you go to library, select the next picture. 1, 2, 3, release. It is that easy. You go to the library, select the next one. As you can see, you're going to be able to zoom in or zoom out on your pictures. I recommend you use the whole square layout. It'll show best, right? 1, 2, 3, release. That's it. And on the very lower hand side of your device, you're going to be able to see all of the pictures that you've added so far. If you want to go the extra mile, you can always, for example, press the effects button and add some text, right? If you want to add text, you can, for example, say 1 month free, which is a very common occurrence in New York, right? So there you go. My suggestion, or the only thing that I ask of you, is to try to avoid putting the text on the very corner of the video, because it depends on how your clients are watching the video in an iPad, on a desktop, on your mobile device, how we present it to them. And we don't want to end up cutting the video and for them to see this, right? So just try to center the text as much as you can. Without further ado, this is your video that's ready. Hopefully you're going to be wanting to add a couple more pictures. So let me just add one more. 1, 2, 3, release. That's it. Now we have 4 pictures. And then on the lower right hand side of your screen, you're going to see a button that says kind of share. That's where you want to press. You want to press that button and press where it says save video. When you do that, we're kind of converting those pictures into the video that you're going to be able to advertise. So now your video is uploaded into your pictures. You're ready to go. You can open up the Replay Listings mobile app, which is great, right? And now you're ready to advertise that video that you just created. So the next step is go to the camera section, right? There you go. You opened up the camera, and now what you want to do is you want to upload a video that you already took. So you press upload video, continue. You go to your videos, and you're going to notice that on the very bottom right hand side, that's the new video that you just created. So you're going to choose that video. We're going to ask you for all the information as usual, right? The minimum rent is still $1,500 because we do not want real estate agents advertising rooms. This is not a roomie app, right? If you don't know what amenity icons are referring to, you can just press the amenities info and we'll tell you right there. The next thing is put on the full address. And again, just as a reminder, on the Replay Listings mobile app, we allow open listings or exclusives. We welcome both, right? There you go. We allow you to hide the address or partial part of the address or show the full address depending on what you want. And then you press submit. Once you do that, the video will start uploading and usually be in less than 10 seconds, the video will be completely uploaded. You're going to get a notification. And when you get that notification, that means that your video is already safe and sound with us, right? The next step is on our end. We usually take less than 5 minutes to approve a video that you just uploaded. Here's something that usually people don't have access to. This is the admins app. I just saw that our test account uploaded a video, right? And it is now up to us to either disapprove or approve it. We just want to make sure that everything that you advertised is legit, so you shouldn't worry about this approval process. And for obvious reasons, I'm going to press disapprove right now, right? So this is the experience of creating quickly a video using the Clips mobile app to be able to advertise on the Replay Listings mobile app. And of course, as usual, you can always contact us at info@replaylistings.com, or you can contact me personally and directly at rodolfo@replaylistings.com or the cell phone provided below. I hope that this tutorial was quick and easy for you, and if you have any questions, I'm always here to help.